Okay, ladies. So, moving right along to your next question, which is, and we're on the eighth one by now. What's something that you used to tolerate in dating, or for those of you queens that are business owners, that you tolerated in business that you won't ever accept again? Why does this matter, Mia? So, this shows you what effort you've put into reflecting about how you've changed, about how you want to change, and if you want to change for the better, and whether or not you've evolved from that reflection. So, a lot of times when we do things like journal, it's to understand where we are that day. You look back on that journal 10, 20 years later, and you're like, wow, so much life has happened. I've changed. So many times we go to a therapist, we're unloading, we're releasing feelings, emotions, history, trauma, hopes, dreams, visions. And lo and behold, after 6 weeks of sessions, you realize something. I've changed. If you sit in a church service and you're actually engaged in the word that's being spoken and you're wanting to implement those things that are being spoken from the word, so you're taking notes or you're making mental clarity of it in your mind or you're resonating it with memories from your heart, and you continue to do that, if you make record of it and you go back and look 90 days, 6 months later, you'll notice something. You're changing. However, if you never take the time to reflect on where you've been, what you've been through, who you are, what things that worked in 2005 that just won't fly in 2025, you'll never know your boundaries. You'll never know your growth cycle. And what you'll end up doing is repeating those cycles. Sometimes repeating those cycles is good for us if indeed they were good cycles. They kept you happy, they kept you joyful, they kept you thriving, your business was building, your family is healthy, everything is in alignment. But then there are those times where we have to break those patterns, those generational curses. We have to break those cycles. And if you haven't taken the time, or if you're unwilling to take the time to reflect on where you've been, what you've gone through, and who you've become, then you'll never know if you're repeating good cycles or staying in a state of perpetual bad cycles. And we all know that once you stay in those bad cycles, that it's bad for your mental health, your heart health, your emotional health. And you want to keep all of those things healthy. They feed your brain, they feed your blood flow to keep you thriving on this earth. So getting out of those perpetually bad cycles and saying, I'm not tolerating this anymore. I've grown from this. I know this now. That is all for the better. Head to toe, inside and out, brain, heart, life longevity can now thrive. And that's what you deserve. So just remember, take that time to reflect and do both. Reflect on what you used to tolerate in dating, journal it out, press record on your phone, make a recording. Stop that one, open up a new one. What did I used to tolerate in business? And some of you queens may not be business owners. What did you tolerate in work, career, corporate, whatever it is that you do? Stop that, go back and say, now what will I never tolerate ever again? Because I've grown. I know where I've been. I know what I've been through. Now I know what I deserve. All right, Mama, I'll see you in the next one.